What's going on, guys? So let's take a little look intraday at the Nasdaq 100, the triple Qs. So right now I got the daily chart pulled up. You can see here big gap down below the 20-day moving average. If you did watch my other videos, this 355, 354.81 area I said was going to be very, very huge on the Nasdaq 100. If we pull up the hourly chart here, you can see this purple line here is going to correlate with the daily chart on the 20-day moving average. Ever since we opened up on that big gap down below, we've kind of just been fading. So the next area that we want to watch here on the triple Qs is going to be this 352 area. Okay, we came down here the first hour of the market open and we touched it. Bulls tried to buy this back up here. Looked like we were going to ramp higher, but immediately got stuffed at the 10-day supply. So we're back down here again at the 352 area. Going back to the daily chart here, you can see any close below this 352, there's nothing but open air down below, okay? So not looking too good on tech, not looking too good on the triple Qs. Now, can we rally into the close and close above this linear regression channel 50 as well as the 20-day moving average? Of course, anything is possible, but if we do close below this 352 area, that is going to be the first close below the 20-day moving average. It could start a downward channel. Okay, so a little bit more than than consolidation. We could be getting into a little light correction here. If the market wants to get into a little bit of light correction, we have room all the way down to 346. Okay, still bullish, still holding this upward trend over the 50-day moving average at 341. Obviously, though, we don't want to see the triple Qs come down here to this 347. However, if you are a short player or you're looking to catch a scalp to the downside, triple Qs, the area that you're looking for is at 352. Tested that area twice. A lot of the tech stocks are going to get drugged down with it. Starting with Apple, the big dog here. Also big gap down on Apple, coming down here to the 20-day moving average. What I would be looking for here on Apple is to try to play this off of a bounce. So let's let it come down here to this 140 area. Right now, currently trading at 142, kind of just in no man's land here on Apple. Okay, really don't want to get into a trade here at 142, anticipating a move back up to 145, when potentially we can slide down here to 140. So in these type of market conditions where the Nasdaq futures are down 200 points, where the triple Qs are below the 20-day moving average, this is where you want to scale back your position size. This is where you want to take a little bit of time, have some patience. Just because things are moving down does not mean that they're moving lower yet. And just because things start to get a bump does not mean that they're going to reclaim and go back to all-time highs. So right now we kind of need to see what is going to confirm here. Does Apple come down to this 140 area? Or do we start to consolidate sideways and make a push back up to reclaim the 10-day moving average? I think anything below 145 on Apple is bearish short term. And I think anything around this 140 area is an area of opportunity for a bounce, maybe 1, 2, 3 points back to the upside. Just take some cash flow. I could see it coming down here to the 20-day moving average, consolidating sideways, and then run up into earnings. And then depending on what earnings does here with Apple, depends on if we have more of a slide or more of a leg back up. I hope this kind of helps intraday, guys. Just stay patient out there. There's no rush. Tomorrow's another day. There's always going to be another setup. Guys, I do have a Discord where I'm kind of go over market analysis intraday on various stocks. That link will be down in the description. Also, I do have a trading course showing you guys how I trade channels from all of these moving averages here. That is also in the description. Please, if you did watch all the way to the end of this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all on the next video.